everyone, this is Harpreet from Right at Home in Corona. We are going to start a series of home safety checklist for all our seniors out there in the community. The very first video is today and it is gonna talk about showering and toileting in specific. So let's get into showering first. So we will be covering two areas when we talk about showering. One is inside the shower and once you get out of the shower, and then we will cover the toileting part. Let's get into the showering. So number one, try to avoid the tub because tub can be a high fall risk, and specifically for people who have arthritis, it might be tough to get into the tub and then get out. So rather, this is a good opportunity for you to, remodel your bathroom and have a walk-in shower area. So under showering, second important thing is handrails. It is really important to have at least two handrails, one to the left of your body, which should be in a diagonal shape, and one right underneath your shower so that you can hold it at various places and you feel confident while you are showering. Moving on, a hand shower is recommended in place of a fit-in shower, because if it's a hand shower, you can put it to your feet and other body parts as needed and get the showering part done. Next is water mat. So this is our fourth thing, a mat which is non-skid. So even if soap is applied or if it's wet, you do not skid on it. That is really important, which is a key thing for fall prevention. Moving on to the last item in our showering list is the shower chair. If you lose balance, if you feel dizzy, it is important that you feel safe while showering and to have a sturdy chair in your shower area where you feel confident and comfortable and you are able to complete your bathing part. Now, once the person has showered, they have to move out of the shower area. So number one thing, as soon as they step out, there has to be a non-skid water absorbent mat so they feel comfortable when walking out and there is no slip happening. That is the key thing. Second advice is to have a good firm chair put up there such that you can just settle down, dry yourself up, dress up a bit, and then head out so that you feel comfortable. So this completes our showering thing. Now we are going to talk about the toileting. So when we talk about toileting, three things need to be taken care of. Number one is handrail. It may be that the toilet seat is a little low or it is tough to just get up, maybe because of knee issues or other health issues. So those handrails go a long way to support you and make you feel comfortable. One key thing to keep in mind over here is closer to the toilet area is definitely our sink, which has those handles for the towel. So try not to lean on them. That can be a big fall risk. Those handles are not made to handle the body weight of an adult. So handrails are must for those purposes. Next will be, let's talk about the portable commode. So we do get portable commodes in the market and it can be a good idea to put it on top of your regular commode for you to feel supported and get some little height in case your regular commode is too low for you. That is the second. Moving on to the third, you can totally eliminate the foot mat in the toilet area, or if need be, make sure it's a non-skid one. So that covers the toileting part. Stay tuned for next home safety checklist and don't forget to like our videos. Thank you.